Alright guys, so today we're going to be removing the fender and the filler piece. So I'll show you guys in a sec where the bolts are located for the filler piece, but they're all 10mm bolts. So there's basically one right here, one right here, one in the middle here, another one on the side here, and another couple over here. So basically all 10mm bolts. Just going to remove those. After that, we're going to be removing the fenders, which is a bolt here, 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 and here. I guess, wait. There's 3 on top, and then there's one inside the door jamb area. So there's 2 there, and then there is one right there, which is supposed to come off as well. A lot of times those ones are broken because they get bent or something like that. But that's where the ones for the fender are. Of course, you're gonna have to remove the inside fender liner and stuff, which I've already done. The reason why I'm removing the fender is probably gonna paint this off the car, and I need to clean up the inside and reseal it. So, because it's a little rusty on the bottom, it's very common for this apparently. So I'm gonna be doing that and taking it all apart. Before I take the fenders off, I think I'm going to try and clean up some of this, I guess it is undercoating and stuff that's been on here for a long time. Like, you notice this is all like undercoating. I guess it's been on here since the factory or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to try and clean that up. Looks kind of gross. Yeah, how I'm going to do that is basically I'm going to use a heat gun, and I'm also going to use some Goo Gone and heat it up, melt it, and wipe it off, basically. There you go, guys. It looks like the Goo Gone took it off, at least most of it. I think there's still some underneath the bolts and stuff. I think this area has quite a bit. It's like all the way under there. I'm guessing when they actually coated it, it went all over the place. Still a little piece here, like I'll rub off in a bit. Alright guys, so the undercoating, I guess the sticky stuff is already removed. So now I can continue removing the fender. This fender probably has never been removed before, because if you look inside there, this nut is actually covered with, I think, the factory seam sealer still. Managed to get the one bottom one out, but this one is still in there. I can't get it out. Probably have to go from inside the door, but you can see the bolt there. I'm not sure how to address this one though. So I managed to get a big chunk of it. You can see the bolt is kind of revealed now. So what I'm doing is just heating it up with a heat gun and then just getting in there with my screwdriver. I'm going to try to clean it up as good as possible. There's quite a bit in there. Ooh, let's not bang this into anything. But if you notice, this is what I'm talking about, the back here. This is all rusty and stuff, which is what I'm going to be cleaning up. Remember, there was a whole bunch of dirt pooled there. So I'm just going to take a wire brush to it, clean all this rust off. And then we're gonna seal it with POR 15, and then I'm gonna mask off and spray some rubberized undercoating on here, and that should protect it. That should be good enough. There we go, all cleaned up. There was quite a bit of rust, as you can tell from the pitting. No rust through though. Now I'll wipe down with some wax and grease remover. Now to mask it all up for POR 15. On to the other fender. See all that rust? Alright guys, this is what it looks like after applying the POR 15. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching guys, and if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.